This is a short recipe. We're just going to make grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I have 4 pieces of bread. All you do, butter one side of each piece of the bread. I'm going to make 2 sandwiches, so I need 4 slices of bread. Just butter all 4. Turn our pan on medium heat. Once you get it buttered on one side, then on the other side we do our peanut butter and jelly. So you have butter on one side. On the other side, we're going to put our peanut butter, and you just smear it on. Make sure you get all around the edges like that. Then we'll put the butter side down. Get your other piece of bread. This side's buttered. The other side, we'll put our jelly on. Spread it around. Then we put our 2 pieces together, butter side up, and we cook it till it's golden brown. I'm going to make 2 of them, so just spread the jelly out to the edges. We got butter on the other side. Peanut butter on the other side. Put them together. Butter side up. Our grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are done. Once they are golden brown, take them out. Turn your burner off. There you have grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Cut it open. There's your nice hot peanut butter and jelly. I hope you like this easy recipe that kids really love, and like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.